Hello. Welcome to 12-Minute Meditation. This is your weekly podcast from Mindful and Mindful.org with mindfulness meditations that are backed by neuroscience. Your 12 minutes of meditation a day can offer you benefits like increased attention, focus, creativity, calm, resilience, and compassion, says the latest scientific research. So on this podcast, we invite you to do your 12-minute practice following guided meditations from today's leading mindfulness experts. We bring you a new practice each week. A 12-minute meditation is an easy way to bring some of the benefits of mindfulness to your daily life. I'm Stephanie Domet. I'm the managing editor at Mindful and Mindful.org. And this week, we're offering something a little different. Michelle Chatman shares a practice that she's been singing since 2020. When we saw the killing of George Floyd, of Ahmaud Arbery, and Breonna Taylor, when the COVID-19 pandemic began, and we saw its devastating effects upon Black and Brown communities, and we also saw protests and uprisings in response to racial injustice around the globe. This is a song that helps Michelle restore herself. So you can close your eyes or lower your gaze while you listen to Michelle sing, and then you can continue to meditate, reflecting on Michelle's offering until you hear the sound of the final chime. Michelle Chatman is an assistant professor in the Crime, Justice, and Security Studies program at the University of the District of Columbia, where she teaches courses on social justice and urban inequality. She's also designing a youth studies concentration within that criminal justice program. As a contemplative educator, she weaves meditation, music, and introspective practices into her teaching to help facilitate student learning and growth and to build community. Michelle is also one of the 10 powerful women of the Mindfulness Movement 2022. You can read more about her in the August issue of Mindful, which you'll find now on newsstands or on mindful.org. Rate, subscribe, and review this podcast if you're so inclined. Your review helps other listeners decide whether 12-minute meditation is right for them. For now, for you, here's Michelle Chatman.
This is Michelle Chatman. This song helps me restore. So I invite you now to take a deep breath, settle into your body, and listen. I am here. I am well. I am worthy. I am enough. You are here. You are well. You are worthy. You are enough. We are here, and we are well. We are worthy. We are enough. We are enough. We are enough.
Thank you for listening to this episode of 12-Minute Meditation from Mindful and Mindful.org. I hope you enjoyed your practice. We'll be back in 7 days with another one for you.